Welcome to today's edition of Trending Stocks of the Day, your go-to source for the latest stock market action. Whether you're a seasoned investor or just starting out, we're here to break down the biggest gainers, losers, and trending stocks making waves right now. Today's market is buzzing with activity, from tech giants like NVIDIA and Alphabet to innovative disruptors in quantum computing and ride-sharing. We'll cover major movers, sector standouts, and the heavyweights shaping the market's direction. Get ready for a dynamic, data-driven look at what's moving the markets and why. Let's dive in and see what's driving today's excitement. Before we jump into the numbers, let's set the stage with a quick market overview. Today, we're seeing continued strength in the tech sector, with quantum computing stocks drawing major attention. There's also notable volatility among smaller cap names, making for an exciting trading day. The mix of established giants and high-growth innovators means there's something for every investor. We'll spotlight stocks like NVIDIA, Alphabet, Lyft, Uber, D-Wave, and IonQ, each playing a unique role in today's market landscape. Stay tuned as we break down the action and reveal what's driving these moves. Let's kick off with today's major movers, stocks that have seen significant price swings both up and down. These are the names catching traders' eyes, often due to sector news, earnings reports, or sudden shifts in market sentiment. We'll look at key metrics like price changes, market caps, and trading volumes to give you the full picture. Whether you're tracking big drops or explosive gains, understanding these moves can help you spot trends and opportunity. Ready to see which stocks are making headlines today? Let's break it down. First up is Broadcom Inc., AVGO, trading at $346.17, down $13.83 or 3.84% today. Despite this dip, Broadcom remains a semiconductor powerhouse with a massive $1.635 trillion market cap and a PE ratio of 88.53. Over the past year, it's delivered a remarkable 106.77% gain, underscoring its long-term strength. Broadcom's role in powering global technology infrastructure keeps it in the spotlight, even on volatile days. Today's pullback may reflect broader sector trends or profit-taking, but its fundamentals remain robust. Keep an eye on this heavyweight as the semiconductor story continues to unfold. Next, let's talk about D-Wave Quantum Inc., QBTS, which soared $3.56 to $22.54, a stunning 18.76% jump. With a $7.709 billion market cap and an eye-popping 2,247.92% gain over the past year, D-Wave is at the forefront of the quantum computing revolution. Today's trading volume hit 125.231 million, far above its 3-month average, signaling intense investor interest. Quantum computing is a hot topic, and D-Wave's rapid rise shows how quickly sentiment can shift in emerging tech. If you're watching the future of computing, this is a name to know. AtlasClear Holdings Inc., ATCH is today's top gainer, rocketing 0.7554 to $1.62, a massive 87.37% surge. Despite its smaller $25.267 million market cap, the stock's daily jump and huge trading volume of 234.34 million make it a speculative favorite. However, it's important to note its minus 85.16% change over the past year, highlighting its volatility. AtlasClear's wild swings are a reminder of the risks and rewards in small-cap trading. For those seeking high-risk, high-reward plays, ATCH is certainly one to watch, but caution is advised. Plug Power Inc., Plug is up 32 cents to $2, a 19.05% gain for the day. With a $2.31 billion market cap and a trading volume of 203.967 million, Plug Power is a key player in hydrogen fuel cell technology. Its 52-week change is minus 2.91%, reflecting the sector's volatility. Today's spike could be driven by renewed interest in clean energy or recent news. Plug Power's story is one of innovation and risk, making it a favorite among traders looking for the next big thing in energy. Driving these dramatic moves, for many of today's top movers, catalysts include sector news, earnings surprises, or shifts in investor sentiment. High trading volumes like those seen in D-Wave and AtlasClear often signal heightened interest and potential volatility. Understanding the reasons behind these swings can help investors make more informed decisions. Whether it's a breakthrough in quantum computing or a surge in clean energy demand, staying on top of the news is key to navigating fast-moving markets. Now let's shift our focus to notable gainers and sector highlights. These are stocks that not only posted strong daily gains but also represent broader trends in their industries. From quantum computing to ride-sharing and AI, these companies are at the forefront of innovation. We'll compare their performance to peers and discuss what's fueling their momentum. If you're looking for growth stories and sector standouts, this is the segment for you. IonQ Inc., IonQ climbed $3.18 to $65.44, up 5.11% today. With a $21.222 billion market cap and a staggering 747.67% gain over the past year, IonQ is a leader in quantum computing. Today's volume of 46.427 million is more than double its 3-month average, highlighting strong investor interest. As quantum computing continues to capture headlines, IonQ's growth story stands out. Investors are watching closely to see if this momentum can continue as the sector evolves. Lyft Inc., LYFT surged $2.65 to $22.84, a 13.13% gain. With a $9.283 billion market cap and a strong 82.28% gain over the past year, Lyft is a major player in the ride-sharing space. Today's volume of 97.513 million reflects intense trading activity, possibly driven by positive sector news or competitive dynamics with Uber. As mobility trends evolve, Lyft's performance is a key indicator of the sector's health and investor sentiment. IT Computing Inc. RGTI jumped $1.99 to $21.99, up 9.95% today, with a $7.128 billion market cap and an astonishing 2,598.16% gain over the past year. Rigetti is another quantum computing standout. Its high volume of 76.465 million shows strong market interest. As the quantum race heats up, Rigetti's leadership and innovation are drawing attention from both investors and industry watchers. Gorilla Technology Group Inc. GRRR rose $2.33 to $20.07, a 13.13% gain, with a $454.967 million market cap and a 432.36% gain over the past year. Gorilla Tech is making waves in AI and tech innovation. Its smaller size means more volatility, but its rapid growth is hard to ignore. As AI continues to transform industries, companies like Gorilla Tech are at the forefront of this exciting trend. Pairing these notable gainers, we see a clear trend. Quantum computing and AI are driving some of the market's biggest moves. IonQ, D-Wave, and Rigetti are all surging on technological breakthroughs and investor excitement. Meanwhile, ride-sharing and mobility stocks like Lyft are rebounding as travel and urban mobility pick up. These sector trends highlight where innovation and market demand are strongest right now. What's fueling these gains? For many of these stocks, catalysts include technological breakthroughs, strong earnings, or rising market demand. Quantum computing is capturing the imagination of investors, while AI and mobility trends are reshaping entire industries. Keeping an eye on these catalysts can help you spot the next big opportunity before it hits the mainstream. Now let's turn our attention to the market giants, large-cap stocks that anchor the market and influence broader trends. These companies are household names and their performance often sets the tone for the entire market. We'll look at how they're faring today and what their moves mean for investors. NVIDIA Corporation NVDA is down $4.55 to $170.29, a 2.6% drop today. But with a colossal $4.146 trillion market cap and a PE ratio of 48.52, NVIDIA remains a dominant force in AI and semiconductors. Its 44.47% gain over the past year and massive trading volume of 210.595 million show just how influential this company is. NVIDIA's leadership in AI hardware keeps it at the center of tech innovation, even on down days. Alphabet Inc. GOOGL is slightly down today, with GOOG at $249.85, minus 62 cents percent, and GOOGL at $249.53, minus 65 cents percent. Both share a $3.02 trillion market cap and have posted solid 53% gains over the past year. As the parent company of Google, Alphabet leads in tech and AI, shaping the digital landscape. Its stability and growth make it a cornerstone for many portfolios. Uber Technologies Inc. UBER is down $4.88 to $92.95, a 4.99% drop today. With a $193.84 billion market cap and a 23.47% gain over the past year, Uber remains a leader in mobility and delivery services. Its influence on urban transportation and the gig economy is significant, and today's dip may reflect sector volatility or competitive pressures. Uber's scale and innovation keep it in the spotlight. CrowdStrike Holdings Inc. CRWD is up slightly by 52 cents to $445.50, a 0.12% gain. With a $111.801 billion market cap and a 60.61% gain over the past year, CrowdStrike is a leader in cybersecurity. As digital threats grow, CrowdStrike's solutions are in high demand, making it a key player in the tech sector. Its steady performance and growth highlight the importance of cybersecurity in today's world. Let's compare the scale of these market giants. NVIDIA and Alphabet both boast trillion-dollar market caps, dwarfing even large-cap peers like Uber and CrowdStrike. This scale brings stability and influence, but also means their moves can sway the entire market. Visualizing these differences helps investors understand where the real power lies in today's market. Looking at the 52-week range, we see that even the biggest names experience volatility. NVIDIA's 44% gain, Alphabet's 53%, and CrowdStrike's 60% rise all reflect strong momentum, while Uber's 23% gain shows steady progress. Comparing these to the explosive moves in quantum computing stocks highlights the diversity of opportunities and risks in today's market. Trading volume is a key indicator of market interest. Today, we've seen huge spikes in stocks like AtlasClear, D-Wave, and Plug Power, signaling strong investor engagement. High volume often precedes big price moves, so it's worth watching these numbers closely. Volume spikes can be driven by news, earnings, or even social media buzz, adding another layer to market analysis. For new investors, let's quickly explain the PE ratio or price-to-earnings ratio. This metric compares a company's stock price to its earnings per share, helping investors gauge whether a stock is over or undervalued. High PE ratios like Broadcom's 88.53 often signal high growth expectations but can also mean higher risk. It's just one tool in the investor's toolkit. Market cap or market capitalization is the total value of a company's outstanding shares. It's a quick way to measure a company's size and influence. Trillion-dollar companies like NVIDIA and Alphabet have enormous market caps, while smaller players like AtlasClear are much more volatile. Understanding market cap helps investors assess risk and potential reward. Trading volume measures how many shares of a stock are bought and sold in a given period. High volume often means strong interest and can lead to bigger price swings. For example, today's volume spikes in D-Wave and AtlasClear signal major market attention. Watching volume can help you spot trends and potential breakouts. It's important to remember that with big gains come big risks. Stocks like AtlasClear and Plug Power can swing wildly, offering both opportunity and danger. Even established names aren't immune to volatility. Diversifying your portfolio and staying informed are key strategies for managing risk in today's fast-moving market. Quick reminder, investing involves risks and past performance is not indicative of future results. Always do your own research and consider consulting a financial advisor before making any investment decisions. The market can be unpredictable, so stay informed and invest wisely. Wrap up, today's market is buzzing with opportunity and volatility. Quantum computing disruptors like D-Wave and IonQ are making headlines, while tech giants like NVIDIA and Alphabet continue to shape the market. Smaller players like AtlasClear and Plug Power show how quickly fortunes can change. Staying on top of these trends can help you navigate the ever-changing market landscape. Thanks for watching Trending Stocks of the Day. If you found this overview helpful, be sure to subscribe, hit the bell for notifications, and join us tomorrow for more market insights. Let us know in the comments which stock you're watching or if there's a topic you'd like us to cover. Stay informed, stay curious, and happy investing.